guys, and welcome back to another video. I know I'm looking a bit crazy today. Today's going to be a bit of a different video. I'm actually here to try this Bleach London white toner kit in my hair. I literally just dampened my hair. You have to apply it when it's towel dry, so you can't really see that my hair is actually blonde. I can put a picture in here now. My roots are growing out as well, so I'm hoping it will lighten the roots a small bit. I chose this brand to use as a toner to lighten my hair and take away the kind of yellow brassiness a small bit. It was actually recommended to me by a friend, Vanessa. This one is for you. This brand is vegan and cruelty free as well. I'll show you here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush my hair out now to make it a small bit easier, and I might tie half of it up and do like the bottom half first and then the top half, the way people straighten their hair. That might make sense, but I'm not sure because I've never done this before. My hair still feels pretty wet at the ends. I'm really nervous about this. I don't know. It says wear protective clothing. I hope my dressing gown will be protective enough. Inside we have developing lotion, instructions, reincarnation mask, colorant, and gloves. So I'm mixing the developing lotion and the colorant. It down the middle like this. Maybe that'll be the best bet. I think I'll actually do it one side to the other. Okay, so if I tie that there, then I just do this side first, work my way back. It says leave the mixture for about 10 to 25 minutes depending on the depth of colour wanted, then wash it out. So I'm going to pop this in here. I don't know, is this going to turn out purple? Is it just going to be like a nice white? Is it going to be silver, lilac? I'm kind of scared, but when am I not scared? Like, I'm always nervous. This is really thick, this colorant stuff. Shake this up, shake it up. Ah, there's no turning back now. And by the way, I don't care if my dressing gown gets ruined with the colour kind of thing or anything like that. Okay, we're ready to go. Let's get going. So I'm just going to use a mirror that I have here. It says start at the roots and work your way along. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to rub it in as I go. Okay, so then it says to like flip it once you've done that little parting, to like make a new parting. Now I'm regretting this already with my arms going dead. I can't see at the back, so I'm just feeling around here. Talk about winging it 101. Okay, so that's the kind of roots done on that side, I think. Switch around the bobbins. We'll start on the other side. Kind of feels a bit funny on my scalp, not gonna lie. But it's not like I need it. Okay, so now I'm going to go back over to the other side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start working through the ends. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. You can see how yellow my hair is right now. I really hope this lifts it, if I'm doing it properly. Can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I feel like I can't have missed anything at this stage, apart from maybe bits that are clumped together. So I'm just going to sit here for a few minutes and I'm going to take bits of hair like this that are in a lump and just spread them out, flatten it out, and just make sure there's not any parts of the hair rolled up that haven't got any toner on it, all the way down to the end. I just need to the situation we currently have right now. I've just finished. It took me about 20 minutes to put it in. I probably could have done it faster, but I really did want to make sure that I got everywhere. Hopefully I did. I think I will leave it for about 15 minutes because it took me 20 minutes to put in. So I'll check back with you after I rinse it out. I can actually see it lifting already, which is great. It is turning a white colour while it's this wet, so I know it's doing its job. It's gonna work. Fingers crossed anyway.
1 hour later.
I'm back. I've showered and I've used the reincarnation mask, and I have to say I'm pretty happy with the results. I feel like it has lifted a lot of the brassiness. My roots are obviously still pretty dark. It didn't do much to them, but all in all, it's not as yellow as it was. It's still slightly, there's a few little bits of yellow kind of popping through here and there, but they could have been parts that I missed. My hair is very soft. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Yeah, like some parts of it are literally really white at the top as well, near my roots. So all in all, the white toner kit from Bleach London, I would highly recommend. I got it on their website, Bleach London's website. It was £10, I think. I got 2 boxes while I was on there. 20 minutes it took me to put it in. I left it in for a further 20 minutes and washed it out, and then I put in the mask afterwards for 10 minutes. So we're talking like the bones of an hour, which, look, it seems like a long time, but I think to do it at home and to save the money is brilliant. The fact that this product is vegan and cruelty free makes it even better. I'll definitely be doing it again in the future if I need to. Out of 10 for this product. Okay, so I've never actually used a toner at home before because I've never had proper blonde hair before, so I've never had to use a toner before, but I would give this probably, I've nothing to compare it to, that's why I don't want to rate it badly, but out of 10 I would probably give it like an 8.5. I'm very, very happy with the results. So I know today was kind of a different video. I just wanted to share this with you guys in case anybody wants to see the results that Bleach London toner kit will give you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna take a photo now and I will pop the picture of the comparison here now. That is it for today. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss more random videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.